When I shared my about me at the beginning of the year, I talked about being good enough and organizing. And here's an example I want to use. So this contains our hats and gloves, right? So I think there are 2 or 3 hats in there and a couple pairs of gloves. And so I didn't want to separate into Tony's hats or Tony's gloves or Julie's, right? I have one bin. It's going to take me 5 seconds to find my hat and my glove. And I'm not so rigid. A lot of times, if we're really rigid, then it makes things harder. One, because humans inherently want to take the easiest path, right? It's easy just to throw them back in the box instead of having to find, okay, they go here and sort them here. Now you might say, hey, Julie, I've got a big family. Okay, then maybe you put all the hats in a bin and all the gloves in a bin, or the adult stuff in a bin and the kids stuff in a bin, and you have 4 or 5 in here. My whole point is it's about getting to good enough to find what you need easily and not being so rigid that it makes it really hard to keep up. When you clear your clutter, you can create the space in life you choose, deserve, and desire. Let me know below how you're good enough in your decluttering and organizing. You got this.